Hi everyone, this is Vijit and I welcome you to this platform of Coach Career. I hope you all are doing great, growing in your life and spreading love and humanity. Friends, the reason why I'm creating this video today because we got lot many messages from so many candidates asking about video resume of like they asked so many questions like what is video resume, why is it important to create video resume, what are the benefits of video resume, then what are the components of video resume. So we finally decided that okay, let's make a video over it and let's solve everyone's queries. But still, after watching this video, if you feel like if I'm missing on any point, please mention that down here in the comments. Please feel free to write your feedback here. Please feel free to write your queries and concern regarding this topic or any topic that you want from our end. So let's not waste the time anymore and let's quickly get into the topic. So the first question that was, what is video resume? So my friend, video resume is basically a short video that is created by a candidate for the purpose of employment or job, and that is being sent to the employers or the recruiters or the HRs by any direct or indirect means like job portals, social media platforms, or you can send it to them directly like through WhatsApp, through Telegram, or through any direct messaging or emailing means. Now, friends, what is the requirement for creating the video resume? So many of us already know about it, and those who don't know about it, I'm making it very clear for you. Nowadays, many companies are considering video resume over the paper resume because it actually shows like now you are updated with the time. Number two, it is actually environment friendly. Number three, it helps us to express the way we actually are that the paper resume was not able to do. Then why I'm saying this because while creating a paper resume, so what the maximum of us used to do, they used to go to a cyber cafe. They used to, I'll say, ask the cyber cafe wala that please bhaiya make a resume for me. I have to go for an interview, and that guy just used to edit the details, our personal details, our professional details, like our experience and our educational details. That's it. He never used to edit our short and long term goals, our career objective, the reason why somebody wants to join that company or wants to get into that kind of job role. So that was never mentioned there, but now video resume will help you to do it. Now, what are the components of the video resume? So there are a lot many components of the video resume. Number one, it contains your personal information, a bit of your personal information like your name, where do you come from, then what are your short and long term goals, etc. Then it includes your career objective or your yes, basically your career objective, that what do you want to do and how far do you want to go in your career. Now it also includes your educational and your professional background, like what kind of study, what sort of education you have got in your life, and then what sort of experience do you carry with yourself, or if you're a fresher, then what sort of industrial training you have done, or what sort of I'll say like job oriented training you have done, or what exactly are the skill sets that you carry with yourself that can be that you can use with your upcoming job and that can be beneficial for the company. Apart from this, it also includes your awards and honors if you have got any in your career so far, like during your school, your college, or at your previous workplace. Then it includes your activities and hobbies, like what are your hobbies. If I talk about myself, my hobbies are listening to music, writing poetries, and chit chatting with people. That is basically my hobby. It can be different for different people. Then it includes your skill sets, as I mentioned earlier. So the skill sets can be different for different people again. For somebody it can be I'll say excellent communication skills. For somebody it can be a great sales skill. For somebody it can be a great customer service skills. For different people there can be different sort of skill sets. For somebody it can be like a software development. For somebody it can be their digital marketing skills. So again, it can be different for different people, so let's not get into the depth. And finally it includes the references about your like about you, I'll say, basically. So let's, in spite of getting around and round into the circle, let's quickly come to a demo, or I'll say a dummy video resume that will help us to understand how exactly it looks like and how exactly it works. So Before I start this dummy resume or the sample resume, let me make it very clear to you, all the details mentioned in this video resume are completely imaginary and that has nothing to do with the reality. And by any chance, if there is any sort of reality in this video resume, so that will be just a coincidence, nothing else. Moreover, friends, it is just for the purpose of this sample video resume. So just to give you a zest about the video resume, so let's not get into all that, let's understand the format here. So hi everyone, my name is Vijit and I'm from Bihar. I completed my graduation in commerce background from Deen Dayal Upadhyay University in the year 2014. Then I started working with a company called ABC International in September 2014. I worked with that company as a senior executive for 1.5 years. Then I was promoted as a subject matter expert, and I worked with that job role for almost another 2 years with the same company. But I was unable to find any further opportunities for growth, so I decided to switch my job. Then I joined a company called XYZ International as a senior executive. I worked with that job role with that company for almost 2.5 years. Then I was promoted as an assistant manager with that company. I worked as an assistant manager with XYZ Internationals for another 2 years. After that, I was unable to find any further growth opportunities with even that company. So that's why I'm looking for a better opportunity at this point of time. Now, if I talk about my hobbies, see, friends, I'm sorry I'm interrupting you here. Till now, I covered my name, where do I come from, my educational and my professional background. Now, if I talk about my hobbies are listening to music, then surfing on internet, chit-chatting with people, and singing. Although I'm not a very good singer, but yes, I am a great bathroom singer. Now, if I talk about my skill sets, so my areas of expertise and my skill sets are sales, customer service, then client deals, and I am also into like banking domain or BPO domain. Now, friends, if I talk about my activities that I have been through so far, so I have been a volunteer in Green Revolution in during my school times from my school end. Then if I have been I have participated in so many debates and I have got so many awards in the debate so far. Also, I was awarded as a debater of the year from my college while being in the Deen Dayal Upadhyay University in the year 2013. I was awarded with this as I'll say basically the debater of the year. And that's all about myself. Now, friends, here you will find that within just few seconds, I believe this was a total video of approximately a minute, like 10 seconds more or less, I was able to cover my name, my where do I come from, my educational background, my professional details, then the awards and honors that I got, my hobbies, and the activities that I have been in so far. Now, these many details are enough to tell about you. At the same point of time, it will also tell about you. It will also, tell a lot about your communication skills. It will help HR to understand about you, your professional details, your professional background, your educational background, your communication skills, your areas of expertise, and many other things. And this is how it helps basically many of us in getting, a good job, or I'll say in helping. It helps us basically in uplifting our career. That's all from my end, friends. Please share your feedback right here. How did you like, if you like this video, and if I missed on any point, and please also write your queries and questions right there in the comment box, and feel free to ask any kind of questions that you have regarding your career, because not only me, our career experts team is here to answer all your questions. Hope to see you all in next video real soon, friends. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy, keep growing, and let's grow together.